Need to access Google Drive without an internet connection. Google Drive lets you make supported files available offline, so you can continue working even when you're not connected to the internet. In this guide, I'll show you how to access Google Drive offline step by step. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Google Drive. Sign in with your Google account if you haven't already. You'll need an internet connection to enable offline access before you can use it. Next, click the Settings icon in the upper right corner and choose Settings. Find the Offline section and enable offline mode if it's available. This allows supported Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides files to be available even when you're offline. Now locate the document you want to use offline. Right-click the file and turn on the Available Offline option if it's shown. Google Drive will download the necessary data so you can continue working without an internet connection. After the file finishes syncing, disconnect your computer from the internet or turn off Wi-Fi, then open the offline file. You'll still be able to view and edit supported Google Workspace files, and your changes will sync automatically the next time you're online. Finally, reconnect your computer to the internet. Google Drive will automatically upload your offline changes and synchronize them with your Google account. Check the document to confirm your edits have been saved. And that's how to access Google Drive offline. Enabling offline access lets you stay productive wherever you are, even without an internet connection, while keeping your files synchronized once you're back online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next